So, before I eat, I've been reading this book, The Homebody, and I think that's that's the reason why you saw me today watering, like heat in the gym, because, oh, by the way, I have a lot of books. I hardly read books. I hardly read, as you can see, how I read. Can I tell you how I read it? I read it like this. I don't want to open it. I don't want it to, I don't, no. So I just open it like this, but I'm like literally towards the end. I'm on the last section, so it's divided into 4. I'm on the last section, so it speaks about the mind, the heart, the rest, and awake. So I'm on the awake part, and I'm just like, actually, I'm gonna start gymming, but it's not the reason why. So I want to eat. When I'm having breakfast, I'm gonna read it, enjoy the sun, and then shower. Just relax. It's a Sunday. But the reason why I came here is to show you that, hi, we have the Mmakeng upgraded. How do you like that? How you doing? I am so happy. I'm so glad we have the new equipment for YouTube. I want to invest this equipment in YouTube. I'm trying to get this mic sit here so people can hear me correctly. I'm trying to get good quality. I'm going to learn how to use it firstly. I don't know nothing. I know a bit about cameras. I mean, like in first year of my first degree, I learned about cameras. There was a module for photography. I didn't like it, I think because of the lecture. But I want to teach myself how to use the camera today, and then maybe the next vlog or tomorrow, if I'm still continuing with the vlog, I'll use the camera. But I want to learn how to use it. I know. So happy. Let me just try to eat so I can I don't know what I'm doing today. But as you can see, there's no fruits. There's no fruits in this house. Guys, growing up, it's a scam. It's like, I'm not sure. Like, growing up is a scam. I just want to get fruits. There are a few things in this house that I'm missing, but let me just eat and enjoy the sun, because it's still early, so the sun is still more fresh, and also it's spring, so we can sit outside, and I want to bath, feel relaxed, because right now, honey, my thighs are on fire. They're on fire. Oh my gosh, they're on fire. But yeah, let me just try to eat, and then I'll see what I do today.